YouTubers, back again with Toronto once again. I'm on Toronto's back. I'm all over Toronto, people. I'm getting a lot of messages, and they're trying to justify why prices are slumping. So here's a good one, and I want you guys to weigh in on this. It's a long article. I'm not reading the whole thing. Toronto has more housing than you think, and it could be a problem. Census data throws cold water on the argument that the city's affordability crisis won't be resolved unless the government introduces measures to help increase supply. So I don't get it. The housing is slumping. It's going down 20, 30 points. And it was published on today's date. And I just don't get it. Why this is coming out now. So let's go. When it comes to Toronto's runaway housing prices, the most important question remains the extent to which speculation is driving demand. Ideally, fundamentals such as demographics and employment are at play. And the price... Wait, whoa. Let's take one step back here. What about the 90,000 empty homes, vacant homes? That's not in there. And the price gains reflect the natural housing growth getting ahead of supply. If that's true, the market eventually stabilizes once new supply kicks in. A situation where speculators are bidding up prices would be much more problematic. Canada's 2016 census, which statistics agency is releasing, piecemeal this year. Sorry guys, I can't see it through my camera. Is providing some insight into the debate. The results: supply may not be the big problem many people thought it was. Between 2011 and 2016, the number of households in Toronto rose to 2.14 million, in addition to about 146,200 according to census data. The latest round, which came on Wednesday, that compares to 175,825 new homes. Built over that period. In other words, supply of new houses extended real household demand for almost 30,000 over those 5 years. That throws water on the argument, voiced particularly by the industry, and the city's affordability crisis won't be resolved unless the government introduces measures to increase supply. So, this is a decent article. I don't know why this is coming out right now. I'm just going to go back and just double check on the date here to make sure with you guys that this was sent to me, and I'm not sure how old this article is from. There's no date on it. It has to be, it's August 14, 2017. And they're bringing this up now in the midst of housing basically in huge decline, which is somewhat of a big problem here. Let me see. I'm going to go into the original message here. Sorry, I'm going to go there to my store, so I'll keep the person in incognito here. But yeah, no, this is a new story. This is a new story that was just written. And I'm kind of like, why are they bringing this up now? Like, this is what's kind of throwing water on this thing. They're saying throwing water on the problem, but why is this happening? Like, why are they bringing this story up now when housing prices are on a mass decline, and discussing affordability, where affordability won't be a problem much longer if the prices keep declining like they are? I got my guy Mario DeCetti's there on the ground there in Barrie, Ontario. That's basically going from up north to Barrie all the way down to Niagara Falls region and covering the stories there. And let's see what this says here. Hold on. See also, condos buck Toronto's housing slowdown as new construction sales hit record. Foreign bought real estate concentrated in Toronto and northern suburb after new tax. Is there anywhere to hide Toronto's falling housing market? Just maybe. So let's look at this, guys. Is there anywhere to hide Toronto's falling housing market? Just maybe. I want to read this. This looks very interesting. In Remax Integra Ontario Atlantic region of Thursday looked into detached homes segment of 65 neighborhoods in the Greater Toronto area, the first of 2017, comparing the first quarter to the second quarter And the second quarter was impacted by Ontario's 16-point housing plan. I know you guys knows what that means. That's the plan that they put in to protect or to stabilize the price of homes from taking off. This is really this is really neighborhood by neighborhood and not the whole GTA, said Christopher Alexander, a regional director with the company, explaining why some pockets have been bucked overall downward trend. Different neighborhoods have seen some different appreciation, some in double digits. So if it's an area where the tax can't be regulated, I guess maybe they give a way out. So there's no audio on this thing. I don't know why. But this guy here is talking. So best performing districts and detached was Brock, where prices rose 11.73%. There it is right there, Caledon. So there's different areas here. If you look at that, Toronto East. So you got, I'm gonna leave a link for this for you guys to see this. But a lot of a mixed bag of reviews, but you know what? In all fairness, I believe the people that are commenting below and telling me what really is happening and how, what is really happening and how houses have been on the market now for weeks, if not months, when they would be on the market for less than a week. Comment below, let me know what the hell is going out in Toronto. Clear up some of this, because it's making it sound, the rest of Canada is reading like, yeah, it's, it's not that bad. Don't panic, Cardanic. It's all good. Let me know. Comment below.